awful lot of us as parents who would honestly say that we have received a huge amount of injustice from either one of those three or all of those three. And so it's very, very important to us as an organisation to put out a very clear, succinct message about what is experienced by SEND parents and carers within the system, and how that injustice leaves us, even when we win, and some of us do win, some of us don't win, court cases and things like that, how it doesn't bring about a sense of justice within us, particularly if we're neurodivergent. And it leaves us with this huge ball of fire in our bellies that we can't put out. And it doesn't matter how much trauma healing and trauma recovery we indulge in, sometimes that fire is still there. Even if it's small, it's hot, and it can really trigger